I hope you all might be preparing for INICET exam with full momentum and full motivation. Just I wanted to say that 5 years of the INICET, 5 years of the NEET PG exam, these topics, these MCQs, if you solve along with the grand test, even if you have not read till now, because of many reason, maybe familial reason, maybe the personal problem, maybe the post NEET PG blues, but whatever. But even if now you prepare from this date, when 20 days are remaining, you do these things religiously with full determination, full focus, I can tell you, you have a very great opportunity to crack this INICET exam. 5 years question paper of INICET, NEET PG, and those topics from your notes. When you are revising, don't forget, make a tiny notes for your last 7 days. And after that, when you are going to revise those tiny notes, don't forget to make another important points, or tick those important points which are still tougher for you for the last day revision. So this is how you should plan. Now I will say that do not worry about anything, because worry is not going to help you. Do not take stress, do not have any anxiety, and do not think that ki your past was not good so your result will not be good. It's nothing like that. There are no pre-written rules. Rules are always broken with those people who are having courage to break them down, who are having self-belief, and who knows that with hard work you can do anything. And I'm telling you, anything is possible. These 20 days you can crack INICET exam, even if you have not read so far. Right? If you start from now onwards, 20 days are there. But remember, with full dedication, full hard work, no distraction, you can still crack these exam with very good rank, because already you have prepared, you know about it. Only you have to bring your focus to those area which are important, which these people, which INICET people will be asking you in your exam. So keep revising that in order to proper revision. I am just coming up tomorrow by 3:30 afternoon. I am keeping one marathon integrated pathology revision. So I request you all, please attend that. I'm telling you, you are going to get many questions from there in your INICET exam. So don't miss it out. Not only the pathology, you will be able to solve pharmacology, you will be able to solve medicine, surgery, and many other topic which examiner is going to ask, dermatology, orthopedics. Many of the question you can solve in your exam because of that. So please do attend this, and my best wishes to all of you. Stay motivated, don't give up, you are going to shine.